So please tell us, how did you meet your husband?
Yeah. So I bought my first house in Bombay, and I was, meeting some architects or interior designers because I wanted my house in a certain way, and they all were like, with their own. जैसे हर कोई पढ़ाई करके आता है नहीं ऐसा कर देंगे वैसा कर देंगे, and I was having a very hard time to explain those people that I want my house ऐसे. So then I met a friend of mine, and he said, I know a guy. उसने अपना घर बहुत अच्छा बनाया और जैसा तुम बोल रही हो तुम्हें उसका घर अच्छा लगेगा. So ask that person कि उसने किससे बनवाया. He will help you. And that was the first time. It was 2016 when I met Sumit. And I went to his house and I really, really liked his house. And he said that, मेरे पास इतने पैसे नहीं थे कि मैं आर्किटेक्ट को हायर करूं, तो मेरे दिमाग में एक क्लैरिटी थी कि मुझे ऐसा घर चाहिए. एज लाइक सेम मेरे भी दिमाग में मुझे क्लैरिटी है कि मुझे ऐसा घर चाहिए. आई जस्ट वांट समबडी जो एग्जीक्यूट करवा दे. सो ही सेड कि मैं फ्री हूं तो आई कैन हेल्प यू, एंड ही डिड हेल्प मी. आई पेड हिम फॉर दैट, एंड आफ्टर दैट वी स्टार्टेड डेटिंग. I still am asking my money back. He's like, please give my money back.
He'll say, घर में ही पैसा आया है.
Like, it's okay, you've invested here only, कहीं नहीं जा रहा, it's with me only.
But man, 2016 to 2025,
Oh my God, yeah.
You managed to keep it under wraps.
Because that's who I am. Yeah. And he is also, I would say, is borderline antisocial. So he's also not, see, again, his journey, the way he came to Bombay and what he did, how he did, he is like, he's like a phoenix. He can raise from his ashes. One hard-working guy. So, and when I met him, I spent time with him. I've really liked him for who he was. Like, he was not somebody ki, I've called my dad for some help or my mom will help me. No. Like, today also, Gayatri, I'm not kidding. It's been, so many years of dating. If he still has to say something to me, he's very hesitant. उसका issue है dependency से. So, जो मैं आपको चीज बोल रही हूँ ना कि एक नए शहर में आके अपने आप से अपनी जिंदगी बनाना, हर चीज खुद से करना, ये किसी इंसान के ऊपर बहुत पॉजिटिव इफेक्ट डालता है. Everybody should do that. So I think he's also like that, and I am also like that, and that's why we connected, and yeah, we started dating, and now we are married.
Beautiful. जब आपने wedding का video डाला था with that song कैलाश खेर जी का, oh my God, it just touched hearts.
I know. That was again because I told you he is not a person who will be like, chalo ek big fat Punjabi wedding karte hain. So he's like, can't we just go in the court and sign it? I was like, no. मैं हर बात तुम्हारी मानती हूँ, as in like mutually, but ये मुझे ये करना है, मेरे छोटे छोटे शौक है कि मेहंदी हो, ढोल की बज रही हो और हल्दी हो and all of that. So he's like, okay, let's do it. So he only executed most of the things, and we just chose. मतलब it was a very brutal filter, गायत्री, क्योंकि आपकी शादी में जब आपके रिश्तेदार और दोस्तों को मिला के सिर्फ 70 लोग होते हैं, so of course it had to be like a very brutal filter. But yeah, we put that, and it was a fun wedding. Like, everybody, हमें बस ऐसे लोग चाहिए थे जिनसे हमें ये खतरा होना हो नाराज होके चले जाएंगे, रूठ के चले जाएंगे, मनाना पड़ेगा. आइए, एंजॉय कीजिए, खाना खाइए, फोटो खिंचवाइए, डांस कीजिए, ब्लेस कीजिए, एंड या सो ऐसे लोग चुन के आपको डालने पड़ेंगे. पीपल वर रियली angry, some people
भी हुए होंगे.
Yeah.
इतना filter किया है.
Of course, some of them unfollowed me from Instagram because I didn't invite them.
But that's childish, no?
Because मैं पहले सोचा कि हम तो इतने अच्छे दोस्त भी नहीं है. Just Instagram following, आपको एक दूसरे को आप follow करते हैं, वो आप एक दूसरे के दोस्त नहीं बन जाते हैं,
Right.
Socially आप Instagram पे जानते हैं एक दूसरे की life को, but somehow आपको ऐसा लगता है that you are close to that person, but it's not that. It's not that. So yeah, but it happened. It went very smoothly, and we really had a lot of fun.
So glad, the way you talk about him, your face is just glowing.
Yeah, he's my favorite person. आई थिंक बहुत बहुत कुछ निर्भर करता है आपके पार्टनर के ऊपर. अगेन जैसे मैंने कहा कि आप हर किसी को इतनी पावर ना दें कि आपको कोई अफेक्ट कर सके, बिकॉज योर पार्टनर के पास तो वो सुपर पावर रहती है, सबसे ज्यादा उसी के पास पावर रहती है टू हर्ट यू और टू मेक यू हैप्पी. इट्स अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डिसीजन. Please take your time and make that decision for yourself. It cannot be in a rush. It cannot be that your parents liked somebody. I'm not saying that it's wrong, right? But you also should take your time and spend some time with that person, because you're going to spend your entire life with that person. सोच मिलना, thoughts मिलना बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है गायत्री, because now as I say that, you know, he also works from home, I am also home when I'm not shooting. We are not desperate to go out. No, we are just very happy because, okay, in our house, we have our separate rooms. That is also out of choice because he lived on his own, alone, for most of his life.
Okay.
Same with me. So, हमें ना बड़ा वही, again, it's a mutual decision. It's rare, but होता है बहुत. मैंने सुना है that, and we've also decided that we really want our own rooms, my own cupboard, my own bathroom, my own wardrobe, and you know, my space. So yeah, that's how sometimes we do. He's in his room, I'm in my room, but still we are together. We watch something together. So this happened because our thoughts were very similar. We were on the same page.
And that also means that you're giving each other the space.
Yeah. So I'm not saying that's the only way you can give each other space, but yeah, that's how we are doing it. And yeah, we are happy. Like, he's like, मैं जब नहाऊं बाथरूम सूखा होना चाहिए. Like, yeah, मैं भी जब नहाऊं तो सूखा, तो कैसे कौन पहले नहाएगा? Let's have just our own respective bathrooms and rooms. Yeah. That's the settlement for us.
But ये peer pressure भी बहुत होता है लोगों पर.
Yeah.
Like,
Yes.
जैसे कि लेट्स से हमारे ग्रुप के सारे लोगों ने शादी कर ली, एक कोई बंदा बचा हुआ है या बंदी बची हुई है, देन वो प्रेशर आता ही है.
I think पेरेंट्स से भी बहुत ज्यादा.
पेरेंट्स से भी बहुत आता है.
बट आई डोंट नो, आई हैव वेरी कूल. एक तो मेरी मम्मी तो मुझे लगता है बदल ही गई यार. शी यूज्ड टू बी वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट. नाउ तो शी इज लाइक सुपर कूल. मुझे लगता है कहीं ना कहीं इट कम्स आउट ऑफ the thing that your child is independent now, financially, socially, you know. तो I'm not saying कि फिर बच्चे कहना ना माने पेरेंट्स का, but I think parents also, they understand कि अगर ये खुद से she can create a life of her own. So then of course we should give her some time. But my parents, you know, they were very clear. Don't rush. हम कोई pressure नहीं डाल रहे. And I'm surprised, they never even asked me कि जल्दी कर लो, या of course I've told them about Sumit that I'm dating this guy, and they were like, ठीक है, अगर समझ में आ गया तो कर लेना शादी. So my point is that parents should also be little, it's a very personal thing first of all. It's your own choice. I'm not saying do it early, I'm not saying do it late, I'm not saying do it under pressure, and I'm not saying कि don't go with your parents' choice. However, whenever you want to do it, you have to be sure. You know, my point is that love marriages can also end up in, like, you know, separation.
Yeah.
Or an arranged marriage can also go forever. So it depends. You know, life throws a lot of things on its way. But yeah, it depends upon how strong you are and how content you are, I think. And how much you are growing with time. Like, मुझे भी ऐसा लगता है कि शुरू में हमारी जिन बातों पे लड़ाइयाँ होती थी, वो शायद आज वो सिचुएशन होगी तो हम नहीं लड़ेंगे. So I think that is very important. You have to grow as a person. Grow for good. आपकी सोच बढ़नी चाहिए, आपकी सोच का दायरा बढ़ना चाहिए, चीजें आप और एक्सपीरियंस करें और उसको अपने व्यक्तित्व में लाएं, आप grow करें. I think that's my only thing. I think most successful are those people who are just growing with time in life.
With time in life.
Yeah, that is very important.
And I think you should just follow your own growth. You have to see your graph.
Yeah, there is no parameter. No, आप
Yeah.
कैसे नापेंगे success को?
Exactly.
कैसे आप decide करेंगे कि that person is, probably that person is doing more work, but that person is mentally unstable. उसको रात को नींद नहीं आती है. वो, you know, that person is going through anxiety. So probably that person is okay with that. But for me, that's not success. Again, सक्सेस की परिभाषा, सही और गलत की परिभाषा हर इंसान की अलग होती है. ये मुझे भी बहुत लेट समझ आया. मुझे ऐसा लगता था जो मेरा ठीक है वही ठीक है, जो मेरा गलत है ये तो गलत है. इट टुक सम टाइम फॉर मी ऑल्सो टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हर किसी की सही गलत की किताब अलग है.
अलग है.
यू नो, इट्स नॉट दैट कि टीचर ने बोला ओपन योर बुक एट पेज नंबर 36. हर किसी के 36 पेज नंबर पे अलग अलग लिखा होता है. हर किसी की लाइफ के डिसीजंस के बेसिस पे उसकी लाइफ की किताब बनती है. सो जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड कि हर किसी का सही गलत अलग अलग है.
अलग.
हर किसी की ग्रोथ की स्पीड अलग अलग है. हर किसी की सक्सेस के मायने अलग अलग है.
अलग है.
There is no set parameter for anything.
So when you met Sumit in 2016, had he watched your shows Nagin and Kabul Hai?
नागिन तो तब आया ही नहीं था.
हाँ,
Kabul Hai,
तब
yes.
नहीं है.
Yeah, Kabul Hai, yes.
He had watched.
Yeah, he did. He did tell me that. हाँ, yeah, he did. He's a man of few words.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how did Nagin happen to you? Because as far as I know, you weren't convinced. आप नहीं करना चाहती.
No, I was
But,
not convinced.
आज अगर हम देखें तो it is one of the biggest universes on TV.
It is one of the best decisions of my life. I mean, I'm glad that I did Nagin. You know, agar, see, Kabul Hai was like here, and I'm not saying Nagin, again, कोई parameter था and all of that. But of course, it was absolutely different than Kabul Hai. मुझे भी एक different character करने को मिला, and I have a different fan base only of Nagin. And I was not very convinced. मुझे ऐसा लगता था that it's not my kind of acting. मैं कैसे करूँगी, कैसे मैं ये character play करूँगी. And then somehow Sumit said that if you want to do something in television, why not do their number one show? Nagin back then was number one.
Yeah.
And I remember my meeting with the Ekta. And oh my God, she narrates you a story and then she has that superpower on you. वो अगर वो उस टाइम बोलती ना कि चींटी का कैरेक्टर है, मैं वो भी प्ले करने को तैयार हो जाती. वो इतने अच्छे से नरेट करती हैं और क्या उनकी story narration and what characterization, she is amazing in that, right? And of course उस टाइम जो मैंने third season किया, genuinely बहुत अच्छी story थी. And then I sat with myself and I convinced that if Superman can actually fly, if Spider-Man can make web and something like that, then why cannot a serpent turn into a human? Why cannot we have our own superhero? Again, they have probably more budgets and more time. So, you know, their graphics and their visual effects and something is just better than us. But हमारे पास जितने resources हैं और हमारे पास जितना हमारे सीमित resources में हम बना सकते हैं, I think we really made an amazing show. Again, but I hear that, you know, if you play like a very prominent character on television, then of course you face hard time, you know, going in a film audition or an OTT audition, because you know you are very popular on television. But now luckily the casting agents, the casting directors of our industry, unki soch and I think their decisions about this, that, you know, a person is a TV person, a person is very popular on TV, it's been changed.
It's fading away.
Of course. And gone are the days when, you know, if you're a TV actor, you will not get a chance in film or in OTT. That's not the case anymore. And we see a lot of actors, we see a lot of faces who were previously in television and now they are doing so well. Because I think now everybody is just, you know, understanding the fact that a good actor is a good actor, no matter on what platform they are performing. Be it Pankaj Tripathi, be it like, you know, Yami Gautam, be it Mrinal, everybody, like, you know, they all used to do television. So I think it's very easy. The casting, kudos to our casting directors also.
I would also like to mention Sargun Mehta.
Yeah, she's doing so well in Punjabi.
And even you.
Yeah.
All of us.
But my point is, I would still say that I want to do good character. मेरे लिए आज भी this cannot be the demarcation के मुझे अभी TV नहीं करना है, मुझे अच्छा project करना है is my only demand. That's it.
So भी जितने भी को एक्टर्स के साथ आपने काम किया है, आपका लिंक अप र्यूमर सबके साथ होता है,
Yeah,
सबके साथ.
I know. People still ask me to just leave Sumit and marry Paul. I was like, okay.
So how would Sumit react to these rumors?
He is very, very mature. We don't even discuss. Yeah. I mean, seriously, it's not even a matter of discussion or even a joke. Like sometimes probably, मुझे याद है एक बार मैंने ही अपने बर्थडे पे कि पता नहीं पर्ल के बर्थडे पे I posted a series of pictures जिसमें कोई और था मेरे साथ और उन्होंने edit करके पर्ल की फोटो लगा दी थी or something like that. Yeah, so then probably it can be a topic of mockery or fun or like, you know, how people love a couple or like with anybody जिनके साथ भी link up की चीजें आई, but it's just their love for the character that we play. Yeah,
absolutely. In fact, you know, बीच में जब आप ऋत्विक के साथ इतने फोटोज पोस्ट करते थे, इतने वीडियोस पोस्ट करते, झल्लो he would keep calling. तब तो लोगों ने मतलब मान ही लिया था that you guys are together.
Yeah. There was a news article in a very renowned newspaper that we are getting married. Me and Ritwik are getting married. And after a couple of months, there was again an article that we are getting married. Like it was me and Sumit. I was like, this time at least they get the guy right. But yeah, it was, so now when I got married, then Ritwik said, I'm so happy. Now people would really understand that I'm single and they can approach. Because people were really under the impression that, you know, we were dating. It's like, अगर मैं किसी के साथ जाके बात भी करता हूँ तो मुझे ये सुनने को मिलता है, अरे यार, he is with Surbhi, what is he doing? It's like, then I have to go and clarify that no, I'm not dating anybody.
To watch the full video, click here. पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करें.